Let's see how we can turn a relational database into a multi-model database. In this demo, we are using SQL Server and the employee data of a company. We are going to store the employee data in a regular relational table. Here is the employee data. We are going to store the organizational structure or the reporting chain in the graph data model. This is the organizational structure, and this is a hierarchy. One of the fields of the relational table is about dependents. We are going to store an employee's dependents in JSON documents. Here are the JSON documents, and this is the document model. Now we have a multi-model database based on the relational data model, the document model, and the graph data model. We are going to run a query to retrieve some data. In this query, we will use the regular SQL command to retrieve the employee data. We will also retrieve the dependent data. Remember, dependents are stored as JSON documents. This part will retrieve dependents. In this query, we will also traverse the organizational chart. In other words, we will traverse the hierarchy graph to find the employee we need. This is based on the graph data model. Let's run the query. We got the data we wanted, and keep in mind, the data was stored in the relational data model, the document model, and the graph model. Simply speaking, in one query, we work with 3 different data models. This type of queries is very common for a multi-model database. This concludes our brief demo.